If you're a new YouTuber or content creator, then you're probably looking around trying to figure out what the best video editor option for you is. This probably isn't the first video you've watched, and something you've probably already realized is that while there's lots of great video editing programs out there, they're not all going to be right for you. Different video editing software options are better for different situations. So which one is the right one for you? Well, if you are just getting started, if you are a beginner, then I would recommend going with the best online video editor. And that's because while there are some great options that you can download and run from your computer, those are going to take up a lot of storage space on your computer and also store a lot of files to your computer, which will take up even more storage space. And especially if your computer has limited storage or isn't the most powerful, that can quickly become a pretty big problem. Online video editors are also a great option because you can often get started with them for free or very low cost. You don't have to pay a big upfront fee, and because they are generally kept the very most up to date, and especially with all of the new capabilities of AI that have come out over the past couple of years, you definitely need to make sure that you have something that is going to give you these most advanced features so that you can spend as little time editing as possible and grow your channel as quickly as possible. So if that all makes sense to you, then my number one recommendation is Riverside. Riverside is pretty much the very best online video editor out there because they have the very latest AI tools and they make it so quick and easy to edit your video. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the different Riverside features so that you can decide whether or not it is the right choice for you, and also give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Riverside. Okay, so first let's take a look at it and talk about what Riverside is. So Riverside is, like I said, an online video editor. It is a software that allows you to record. You can either record yourself or you can record interviews with guests, multiple guests. You can also do things like live streams and webinars and video marketing, all sorts of cool things. So you can record anything you want, and then they have this incredible AI video editor that is going to make it super easy to edit your video. And then as soon as you're done recording, Riverside automatically transcripts the video you just made, and it makes it super easy to edit it because you can edit it by editing the transcript. So you can edit it just like a text document, or you can use their AI editor called Co-Creator and just tell it what changes you want to make to the video, and it will make those changes for you. As far as pricing goes, Riverside is really competitive, and they have a totally free plan, like totally free, no credit card required, that you can use to give it a try. The free plan allows you to record an unlimited amount of content, video, audio, etc., and you can then edit it with their powerful AI editor, and you can download up to 2 hours of content that you have edited. And then if you decide that you like it, then you can of course upgrade to one of the other plans, and they're just based on volume. So depending on how much you are going to be editing and downloading per month. Most YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, aren't going to be editing and publishing more than 15 hours of content per month. So probably for you, you're looking at about $24 per month with the annual plan or $29 with the monthly plan. That gets you 4K quality and all of the AI features. Here's what Riverside looks like when you log in. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you, if we go into my projects, some of the videos that I've recorded with Riverside. And I specifically want to show you one of my favorite features, which is called Magic Clips. Magic Clips is basically an edited video made almost instantly for you right after you record your video. And I especially love this for podcast interviews because right after I'm done with the interview, I can go in and there are immediately all of these short clips from the podcast from me and the guests that have already been edited. And as you can see here, Riverside actually scores them for how likely they are to be popular based on like how compelling the content is and how good of a hook it has. So these are totally edited, and you can just go ahead and watch them right here in the made for you section. So these are already totally edited and ready to go, and you can literally just click this share button and then download them and publish them on whatever platform you want. And this is a huge time saver because not only is it edited for you, but you don't even have to go in and prompt the editor and ask it to create these for you. they're just instantly created. It's not just those shorts because there's also a full version of the episode. Now, total transparency here, this magic episode, it normally needs a few changes. It normally isn't quite good to go all on its own, but all you need to do is click this edit button and you can get into the editor itself and you can easily make those changes. Now, as you can see over here on the left, there's the full transcript for the video. And again, I didn't have to ask for that. So this is super nice. So you can edit the video by editing the text. So for example, I could highlight all of this and I can just click the backspace button to strike it out and get rid of it. And now it's not a part of my video. So you don't have to go through and make little cuts throughout your timeline. And then you can just either skim through this text. So like here I see, okay, let me actually start over. So then I can see that I tried to start over and then I had to try again. So that's really nice that I can just get rid of both those things, either by pushing backspace or just by clicking the delete button. Because it used to be that as I was editing my videos, I would get to a point where I had to start over. And so I would cut that part out and then I would start over and then I would realize, oh wait, I actually started over a few times. And so it was really slow to make those changes. But now when you can see them visually, that makes it a lot easier and a lot faster. And then you can move along here and find what else you want to cut out. So like here, I already cut this part out, but if this was a part that I wanted to cut out, I can just select that and then I would push this trash can. So then you can move along here through your timeline and maybe you find some other parts that you want to cut out. Like maybe I wanted to cut out this section right here. You can click that again and then you can click at the end of it and then you can click that trash can to delete it. So you can use it just like a normal video editor as well, but I do find it's a lot faster to just go ahead and make those changes up here in the transcript. However, as quick and easy as that is, Riverside actually makes it even faster than that because first of all, they have all of these AI tools. So these are just kind of instant action tools that are going to remove pauses, remove ums and uhs, remove retakes and all of that. So like, for example, this one here, it removes pauses. And so you can decide whether you want it to be deleting like even really short pauses or if you wanted to only delete the longer pauses, for example. So like this would only cut out the longest pauses. And so I normally like to choose one of these two middle options, and then you would just click this apply button. Now, in this case, it already did it. Of course, if you don't like those changes, you can always click revert to original here, but also even in the transcript and in the timeline, you can also click restore if there's something that it cut out that you actually wanted to keep. So just click restore and then that will not be cut out anymore. There's also this one that removes the filler words. So that's things like ums and uhs, all that sort of thing. And I like to use the SMART method. It can just cut them out, or it can just make them silent, but sometimes one of them sounds better. Like if it's a really short little sound that you made, then it can be better to just mute it and you probably won't even notice in the video edit. And that way you don't have a cut. But on the other hand, if it was like a bigger with a pause, then you wouldn't want to just make that silent because you need to cut the whole thing out. So I like to use a mix of it, which is what the SMART method does. Then you just click apply and it goes through and in just a few seconds, it removes all the filler words. It's so much faster than traditional editing, and I love that you can just do it with the online video editor that Riverside offers. Now let's go through a few more of these AI tools. There's also this one that says find fluff. This one will cut out parts where there were retakes. So where you said something and then you said it again, or maybe parts where you just kind of rambled on about something. So then what you can see here is things that it recommends to cut out, and you can just mouse over them and it'll show where it is in the text, and you can see if it is in fact something that should be cut out. So like here, it caught something that I didn't catch in my initial look through, which is that this whole first intro section, I ended up redoing it and just starting completely over. So we will click apply on that one and it will get rid of that whole first section. So now we'll move on to the next one and I'll just click on that to find it. And it looks like this is something that I already deleted. So I'm just going to go ahead and click apply. And then we go down to the next one. And so again, it's caught the fact that here I said when I was talking about these online course platforms. I said, because they have a free forever plan that lets you create multiple courses for only, and then I started over because they have this free forever plan. So that's something that definitely should be cut out, and the AI will do that really smoothly. So that's how that tool works. Now let's go back over to the AI tools. One that I almost always use is this one here that says Magic Audio. This one immediately makes the audio quality just sound so much better. I mean, I already have a good microphone, but it still just doesn't sound as rich as it could sound. And this fixes that. Now, the next couple options here are mostly just for if you're doing an interview, but the smart mute option, it can mute if there's any sort of crosstalk during your interview. So while one person is talking, if the other person says something, that can be kind of distracting. So if you turn this on, then any like small sounds or comments that the other person made will automatically be muted. Now, smart layouts, this is just for interviews, but it is so helpful. Basically what it does is it like toggles between you and your guest in an interview. And so it just puts the camera on, the spotlight on whoever is currently talking. And this is something that if you are editing manually takes a lot of time to do, and this gets it done in just a couple of seconds. Now, the last one here is pretty amazing. It's eye contact. So basically, if you are reading a script for part of your video, you can turn this on and it will actually make it look like you are looking at the camera. Now, I think that this works best if you did have your face facing the camera and you were just kind of like looking to the side with your script, but I'm always surprised at how natural it looks. You know, I've been on YouTube for a long time, so I am pretty used to looking at the camera and have trained myself to not look at my script. But if you are just getting started, this could be really helpful, especially for like intros with guests or that sort of thing if you are doing interviews. Okay, so those are a lot of the AI tools, but I haven't even shown you perhaps the most powerful part, which is called Co-Creator. You can ask it to do all sorts of things, something as simple as like removing fluff, or you could say, I want this video to be only 30 seconds long, edit it down to make it more concise. Click send, and then Co-Creator is going to make those changes for you. And you can ask it to do all sorts of different things, anything from adding music or adding transitions to cutting out sections. You could tell it to cut out certain time sections, or you could tell it to change the orders of the clips, whatever you want it to do. And it's actually not even just like proper video editing things that Co-Creator can do for you. It can also do extra things that are kind of outside of the scope of video editing, like creating thumbnails or creating shorts from your video so that you can then publish your video on YouTube really easily without having to go into any other software and create those thumbnails and things like that. Now, whenever you're done editing your video, then you can go ahead and export it. You're just going to go over here and click the share button up in the corner, and then you can click download. It'll ask you a few questions about the quality that you want, and it can be up to 4K. And then you probably don't want a watermark, so just have that checked to remove the watermark, which you can do on any of the paid plans. If you haven't already used Studio Sound, you might want to choose normalize audio levels, but if you've used Studio Sound, you don't need to do that. And similarly, if you used Studio Sound, you don't need to remove background noise, but if you didn't want to apply Studio Sound for any reason, you can do that here. You also could just download the audio if you want, like if you're going to use this for a podcast, or if you just want the transcript, you can do that here as well. But once you have those settings configured, just click the button to download the video and it will download it to your computer. However, alternatively, if you want, instead of downloading it to your computer, you can publish it straight to YouTube right here. So that way you don't ever even have to put the files on your computer at all. So you can probably see why I like Riverside so much. Their AI tools, including Co-Creator, just makes it so fast and easy to edit videos. I remember back in the day, really not that long ago, just a couple of years ago, spending 2, 3, 4, sometimes 10 hours editing YouTube videos. And now you can have the entire process done in just a few minutes. Talk about a serious time-saving strategy. So whether you are just getting started and you are looking for an online video editor that will make the process of creating YouTube videos super fast and easy, or you already have something you're using but you're looking to save a whole lot of time, Riverside is definitely a great option. And like I shared with you earlier on, you can give it a try totally for free. I'm going to leave the link to do so down in the description below so you can find that really easily. Now, of course, I can't talk about getting started on YouTube without mentioning the fact that Even if you have the best online video editor and you're making great YouTube videos, you're not going to grow unless you also have a great strategy. So if you're looking for some help with that, check down below for the link to my free workshop all about the YouTube algorithm, how it really works, and how you can work with it to grow your channel as quickly as possible. It's called 3 Secrets to Reach 1,000 Subscribers and Get Monetized in just 3 months. All right, well, that's everything for this video, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and then check out this video right here.